Okay, we have Steph.
Hello.
Her offsider, Morwena, isn't here with us today because she was scared. Not really. She's got a sick daughter. This was a 20-something-year-old girl's bedroom that has now been totally emptied. It took us probably an hour just to empty out the bedroom. It had so much stuff, but it's all part of the fun, isn't it? There is a beehive down here between the two eye joists. You can see the green line marking the eye joists, and it comes to about there. So it's approximately a metre off the wall. Obviously it will go in under the wall about 10 to 15 centimetres given the wall thickness, but we will cut it open and do everything the fun way. Let's see how we go. I'm being a sexist pig apparently, and Steph is doing the cleaning. I didn't ask Steph to do the cleaning, mind you.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, she's just apparently so used to cleaning up after her children that that's the first thing she did when I finished cutting. So awesome. So now we can more clearly see the size of hive. The yellow tongue has a join just where my foot is, so it's unfortunately not going to lift brilliantly, but it'll be interesting to see what we discover.
Oh, nice.
Awesome, isn't it?
Mm. Nice neat box they got there.
Sorry?
A nice neat box they got there.
Yeah, okay. How good's that?
Very neat.
So we'll split the hide a little bit because of the yellow tongue.
Yeah.
Beautiful girls. The aim's the middle, so let's...
Oh.
It's awesome. That's the hive. So now we quickly frame up what we've got. We have cut out most of the hive, but bees have started running down in under there. And I was worried that they were chasing the queen, because occasionally they do that. But Queen is here now in a cage. We'll just get her out of it. There we go. Okay, so Queen with a lovely pink dot on her back. We will put her in a queen clip. There we go. She's in the queen clip now. And we will entice our bees back by putting a queen clip here. So with the queen there in a cage, eventually the bees will notice and they will start fanning towards her, and then they'll cluster up around her. So yay. I call that a queen trap, where I'm trying to get bees out of a spot I can't reach by using the queen as a draw card. So Steffi's bee back in the bees. There we go. I'm going to finish cutting out the nectar. It's not honey yet, it's just nectar, but I'll finish cutting the honey out because it was too heavy for the age of the comb. So if I put that in the hive, it would just crumple, so pointless putting it in. And then once we've done that, we'll finish bee vacuum, double box, queens in the clip in the box. There are a lot of bees on the windows, but we'll worry about them at the end. Steph's doing a great job there. Okay, we've been bee vacuuming for a while, quite a long while. Bees are no longer on the window. Not seeing any bees outside. And the flip upside down. It looks like we've cleared them all out of this cavity as well. So we'll now fill the cavity. Oh, here we go. There we go. With these sheets and whatnot, because the cavity's big enough that we'll fit sheets in there. Some cavities aren't. Then we'll put the board back on, roll the carpet back in, and we'll be done. So yeah, we've done very well. Looks like we've emptied the cavity. Got to be happy about that. Exciting times. So Steph did most of the work. I just
Under instruction.
I just pretended to. So yay, exciting times. Cavity is now full, so no more bees going into that cavity. And here are all the bees. Exciting times. We'll now put the cavity back together, and then we'll be done. Okey-dokeys. So flooring's back on. We've just got to put the carpet trim on, and then roll the underlay back over and put the carpet back on, and we're done. Windows back in, so nearly there. And this is the end. Carpet's back down. Whee! Steph looks happy. And we are done. No bees left. Fun times.